I want you to use your imagination. Say you want a custom home in the Lake Hollingsworth area. You found a lot. You're going to build a home that looks exactly, that kind of fits the area. You're between Lake Morton and Lake Hollingsworth. Oh, what a hard find to locate. So this one right here, I'm going to show you, it's under construction, but the location's fantastic. This is a custom build for a family. Now, when we say Hulbert Homes is a custom builder, it is a literal custom build, okay? Very raw, but wait till you see this. So let your imagination run wild. You've got a lot. You've got something that you want them to build. We can make that happen. Let's go take a look. Okay, we are on Frank Lloyd Wright, and they are working hard on this. Just to give you an idea, this right here is a beautiful historic area in Lakeland. Lake Morton is just north, Lake Hollingsworth is just south. Believe it or not, I helped a gentleman sell this home. I bet it's been 20, 25 years ago. Beautiful older home. This was like a little side home here. So that's how long I've been in the business, if that tells you anything. That also dates me a little bit. All right, so this is a custom build. Boy, this elevation is gonna be amazing. It's already shaping up. Take a look at this. This kind of fits the area. You can see they're getting all the siding on, the beautiful huge pillars, the elevation, and just did a quick walk in this. This will be all pavers, I'm sure, tongue and groove ceiling. It is a custom build again, but this gives you an idea of when you talk about doing a custom. Can't wait to see all the trim work on it. So they did a great job. It just the open, this thing is going to be wide open. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, a little over 2,300 square feet. And on a nice sized lot in this area. You can see they've got a fireplace going this way, all the can lighting. So it's a nice floor plan. They've designed it well for this lot. So take a look at this bedroom. It's massive, huge, could be an office, but it's got double closets or closets going all the way through. So, and they did a great job at all the can lights up here, pre-wired for your fan. Now this is the master suite, the primary suite, if you will. Again, nice size, a little hard to tell when it's a vacant property under construction, but you're gonna get an idea. When you walk in here this way, see they're gonna have the double vanity. You can see by the sink prep right there with all your plumbing, all your lighting that way. Nice shower will be straight ahead. And then right here is gonna be your toilet room, nice sized toilet room with a pocket door. You can see when they build, they leave this open. Linen closet this way. And then it's got 2 walk-in closets, the his and hers. They're actually good size. That's got a pocket door for that way. And same to the left. You can see that is all that way. So let's take a look at the rest of the home. You can get downtown Lakeland in probably 5 minutes. So you can tell it's gonna be a really cool kitchen. The island here, can't wait to see how they set it up. There's your pantry. You can just see all the lighting. My guess is there's gonna be a fridge right here. If I had to guess by the little cut in over that way. Your sink is gonna be this way, cool window overlooking the backyard, French doors coming out that way. Then it looks like there's your hood for your range, and then all your setups. So let's go back toward the front. So remember, bedroom, primary suite. This way is a massive laundry room. Holy cow, look at this. It is huge. That's to the 2-car garage. I don't think, they're actually working right here. I say garage, it's a carport. So that's where that is. So let's go this way. Here's a full bath. So this is your second bath, which again, if you can see how wide these hallways are, come in here. It's a really good sized bathroom. Closet behind you, linen closet, tub shower combination with your toilet this way. High ceilings, natural light here. Not sure what they're gonna do here. Quite possibly, maybe like a few racks for some miscellaneous items, towels or what have you. And then your third bedroom is this way. It's nice and deep with a big walk-in closet going back this way. All right, look at, man, this thing just keeps on going. It's like another bedroom in here. All right, let's go outside because it's really cool out here. All right, so it's gonna have, wait till you see this outdoor area. This is gonna be sweet. So they have a under truss, gorgeous outdoor area. Man, how nice is this? Look at this kitchen. This is gonna be a sweet kitchen. My guess is little fridge. I don't know if that's probably a Jenn-Air, some kind of a cook. It's hard to tell, but man, it's set up nice. Yeah, you can see the hood there, all the lighting. And this is a really sweet detached 2-car garage. There's your garage. Okay. All right. When you're under construction, sometimes it's hard to, but you can see they're gonna probably put all your pavers right in here, coming straight back here on the side. And your lot line is way over here, probably close to that fence. So they have pavers or a driveway coming all the way back to the detached 2-car garage. Again, got to be symmetrical, got to look exactly like the house, all the siding. And I'm sure they'll put up, kind of privatize this with a fence. But the lot goes deep. Let's look at this. It goes way back here. So a deep lot. Because you have to have setbacks for your detached garage too. Now, you know what? I'd have to find out. That just could be an alley. They have, a lot of times you're going to see alleyways in the older districts, so older areas. Looks like an alleyway that doesn't really get used, but you can see it right there. I don't see trash cans here. Well, the trash cans are here, so it may be one that a garbage truck comes down. I don't know, but you'll see this a lot of times, so it'll become straight back here, which is kind of cool. And you got some privacy with these trees here. So an amazing home, a Hulbert Home gem, custom build. It's going to be a very fortunate family to build this beautiful home. So hopefully you've enjoyed this tour. Give you an idea of one of the many things that Hulbert Homes can do. Custom builder here, Polk County, even outside of Polk County. Hope you've enjoyed this tour. Have a great day. Hope you've enjoyed this video walkthrough of this under construction home. The goal is this: when we get completed, time permitting, we're going to try to take another look at this finished version to give you a progress update. Okay? Have a great day. All my contact information is below. Let's talk about your real estate needs. If you are looking to buy anytime soon or you're looking to sell, I'd love to have a conversation with you. Have a great day. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. God bless.